The latest sports update today by Play 8 Channel.
Marami ang nag-react sa nabanggit ng head coach ni Mario Barrios na si Bob Santos. Binanggit niya sa press conference kahapon na dalawang opsyon lang ang papuntahan sa labang Pacquiao Barrios at ito ang hospital o sementeryo. At ito ang kanyang paliwanag.
One thing about Manny, like I said, when he steps in those ropes, he's an assassin. And he's kill or be killed, and that's been his mindset, and that's what makes him great. And if we don't have the same mindset, we're going to be in the hospital.
Dagdag pa sa kanyang paliwanag, na kailangan may magandang mindset ang kanyang alaga dahil si Pacquiao ay isang assassin sa
I'm gonna
ibabaw
tell you
ng ring.
this, if you go into a fight with Manny Pacquiao with any other mindset than hospital or cemetery, if my fighter goes in that, it's going to be night-night for Mario Barrios. We have to have a killer's mindset because Manny's a killer in the ring. He's an absolute assassin. And he's over here, he's hitting you over here, he's hitting you over here. And with Manny, he's a killer in the ring. He's the nicest guy, but he's a killer. And if you are not prepared with an absolute mindset with Manny Pacquiao, you're going to be in the hospital.
At ginawa pa niyang example si Margarito, nang binugbog ito ni Pacquiao ng todo-todo.
And he's proven that time and time again. He proved that many times. Look what he did to Margarito, ended his career. It is a sport, but it's a gladiator sport.
At sa isang interview kay Pacquiao, tinanong siya ni Chris Algieri na isang former WBO World Junior Welterweight Champion, kung bakit pinili ni Pacquiao si Barrios na magiging kalaban sa kanyang comeback fight, na mas batang-bata pa sa kanya, at mas malaki, at ito ang kanyang paliwanag.
Actually, my wife said, "No, you can fight that guy." Really? Are
She
you
said
sure?
that?
Yes. Really? I can fight. Okay. Tomorrow I will gonna call. Like